In this program, we're going to learn about Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. A rocket can be launched into space because the hot gases propel downward from the rocket, causing the rocket to move upward with equal force. Force is a push or pull upon an object. For every force, there is a reaction force, which is equal in size but opposite in direction. Isaac Newton realized that a force is not only an action, it is an interaction. Each exertion of force is an exchange between bodies or objects. Force always comes in pairs, equal and opposite action-reaction force pairs. It's evident in nature. A fish uses its fins to propel water backwards. The water pushes the fish forward. A bird pushes its wings downward. The air pushes the bird upwards. When a ball is bounced, the ball exerts force on the ground, and in return, the ground exerts an equal force on the ball. The forces are exactly the same in quantity. However, they travel in opposite directions. The action force of the ball is directed downward. The reaction force from the ground is directed upward against the ball, sending it back into the air. When a surfer pushes down on the edge of a surfboard into the water pushes back against the board and propels the board to turn. It is a common mistake to think that when you run, the force caused by and exerted on by your foot is the only influence. You may think that the ground just sits there, but it doesn't. Through friction, the ground is essentially pushing back against the force of your step. Don't believe it? Try walking on a slippery surface like ice. It's very difficult to move forward. There are countless examples of Newton's third law that take place all around us every day. Now that you better understand Newton's third law of motion, think about this. Identify an action-reaction force pair that you experienced today. Think about it.